Hello, lovely and wonderful family. Welcome once again to my channel. SAS Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome. And to my old and new subscribers, God richly bless you for always being with me. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ingredients that you can add it together and it will clear off or get rid of your pimples. So guys, what are you waiting for? Let's go and watch the video to the end. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and also comment. Sir loves you, but God loves you more. Let's go and watch the video to the end. Let me show you all the ingredients, guys. Please, first ingredient will be our Colgate Maximum Cavity Protection. Yes, we are going to scoop in a little of it. So get your Colgate Cavity Maximum Protection. Please, not the herbal, or at the same time, not the charcoal. We'll be needing the Colgate Maximum Cavity Protection, please. Yes, we are going to use this one. After this one, then you get your neem powder. Please get a small portion of neem powder. We are going to scoop in a little of it. So guys, please take note. Neem powder is very good. Yes, I usually incorporate it with my black soap to clear off dark spot, to clear off maybe pimples. If I'm having pimples or any rashes on my face, then I'll use black soap with neem powder and turmeric. Yes, this combination perfectly work. And my another ingredient will be my turmeric powder. Turmeric powder, we are going to scoop in a little of our turmeric powder. Yes, please get any turmeric powder of your choice, but make sure that your turmeric powder is organic. Guys, please take note. Please subscribe to my channel. Also turn on notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. And my another ingredient will be my rose water. This rose water, you can get any of the rose water that you wish with. Please, yes, get any rose water that you wish to use, but get rose water. We are going to use this rose water to mix it very well to make a paste. So after getting rose water, let me show you how to do it. Yes guys, get a clean sanitized bowl. Then you scoop in 1 tablespoon of your Colgate herbal. Then you scoop in half tablespoon of your neem powder. Then you scoop in your turmeric powder. That was also half tablespoon. Yes, get half tablespoon of turmeric powder added to the mixture. Then you scoop in 1 tablespoon of your rose water. Please, better still, you can add in 1.5 tablespoon. That one depends on how thickness you want the paste to be. Then you just mix it up and you use it to cover your face for 10 to 15 minutes. Then you wash it out. Simple as ABCD. So what are you waiting for? Guys, let me remind you that your girl is going for Guinness Book of Record attempt, which is baking marathon. And your girl need your support. So what are you waiting for? Come and let's support your girl. I love you truly, and I love you very much. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. Yes guys, see you there and see you in my next video. Bye bye.